guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Google Chrome issue with not supporting WebGL 2. I've watched a lot of videos, a lot of tutorials, and none of them seems to be right in the point. So when you're gonna go to Chrome, then put Chrome //GPU. Here in this section you're gonna see WebGL 2 unavailable. So that means probably that maybe you're running integrated graphic card or maybe low-end PC. So it means your graphic card doesn't support DirectX 11. Most of the solutions what I found on the internet is to go to Chrome //Flux and to turn hardware acceleration on in the settings, but it's not really working, not for all the PCs. So here is how to fix that. You're gonna have to go to Chrome, put dxcpl. I'm gonna put the link down to description. Download the file, press save. So basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna force Google Chrome to work under DirectX 10 or 9, it depends which one your graphic card supports, but with all DirectX 11 settings. So you're gonna open the file, you're gonna press edit list, that three dots down here. You're gonna have to go to the folder that Google Chrome is installed on your device. In my case it's local disk, program files, Google Chrome application, and double click on Chrome. Press OK, make sure that application controlled is marked. Here device settings, feature level limit, it's gonna be 11, and mark force warp. Then press apply and OK. The program doesn't have to run all the time, you can put it whenever you want, but it's important to be on your computer. And now go to Chrome, put Chrome //GPU. So here actually you've got three options. Now it's gonna be software only, it's gonna be still unavailable, only it's gonna be hardware available. If it's hardware available, you are free to go from this step. If you've got this option or it's still unavailable, don't worry, we're gonna fix it now. So you're gonna have to go to Chrome //Flux. Then you're gonna have to search acceleration, and you're gonna have to put override software rendering list as enabled, relaunch Chrome, and then already you can see that WebGL 2 is hardware accelerated now. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I helped you. Put a like on if you liked it, and put a comment down below, please. See ya.